Hi guys, a while back I was buying lots of kits of dominoes or sets of dominoes so that I could do one of those domino topple effects, and it meant quite a few of them came in these nice wooden boxes. Bought them all in charity shops, cheap. Anyway, I was looking at this box and I was thinking, can I make a rubber band powered catapult with it? In one of the takeaway shops, got this wooden fork. So I was thinking, if I put a pivot across here, one of my bamboo canes, attach the rubber band to the bottom that comes back to this end, then we should be able to just flick. We're not talking powerful here, we're just talking toy. That should work. So I could either put a couple of bits of drinking straw on the top as the pivot points, or drill holes. Probably doesn't matter which way I do it. Drilling holes would be more robust. Yeah, I think I might just drill a couple of holes through there so we can poke this through. Probably use some cotton or something to tie it onto there, with either a couple of notches or a hole on the bottom of here, so that we can attach the rubber band, and a hole at this end to attach the rubber band there. Yeah, that's what we'll do. A couple of holes there, hole there, and a hole in there. Got a toothpick here. Well, looks like that'll work. Just going to use some blue tack. Bit high. Let's come back a bit. Still too high. Come back further. I didn't expect it to shoot that far. A bit closer. Well, it works. And we can take it apart and put it away. So there we go. That's today's Put a Rubber Band on It. Not a car, not a boat, not an aeroplane, a catapult. Obviously, you could add more and more rubber bands until it breaks. And you could put a little cap on there of some sort to help hold the ammunition. And you might want to put a stop on there somewhere to stop it when it ends up at about that position, instead of going all the way down, so that it actually launches the projectile from up there instead of right down there. So there's several improvements you could make, but as it is, it works. Yeah, that was easy.